In this video, we'll show you how to activate Windows 10. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Once you've subscribed, don't forget to leave a like. Now let's jump right in. First, start on your desktop. Next, move to the bottom of your screen and click the search button on the taskbar. In the search bar, type Settings and open the Settings app by clicking on it. Inside Settings, select System. Then scroll all the way down and click on About. If your Windows isn't activated, you'll see a red message indicating that here. If your Windows is activated, you won't see this message. Now click on Change Product Key or upgrade your edition of Windows. Wait for it to load, then select Change Product Key. Here, enter the product key you purchased from a trusted website like Amazon, eBay, or another retailer. Paste the key in the box and click Next. Your Windows will then be successfully activated.